He's a bad beast on that barbecue, on the grill or the smoker. He knows just what to do. He's a bad beast on that barbecue.
Hey, what's going on, guys? Hey, welcome back to another episode of Bad Beast Barbecue. Hey, today we're going to be checking out some products that we got from the Grill Masters Club here. Now, we've done a video for the Grill Masters Club in the past. I'll put an iCard up here in the top. You know, the Grill Masters Club is a subscription service that you can subscribe to. And monthly you get one of these boxes here, and there's a wide variety of rubs, sauces, seasonings, woods, recipes, and etc. that you can experiment with. Probably sauces and rubs that you would not normally find in your neighborhood grocery store, that you probably have to go online to order. And this gives you an opportunity to try out different things that you normally wouldn't get your hands on. Okay, so they sent us another box, and we'll go ahead and check this out. So what came in this box today is we have some alder wood from Gourmet Wood Chips. So we'll check those out when we get ready to do some salmon and stuff like that. They also sent us this here. This is a banana poultry rub. Okay, now that sounds pretty interesting. I'm definitely going to make some banana poultry chicken when we get a chance, because I definitely want to try that rub out. Banana is not a flavor that I would have associated with barbecue, but that could be pretty interesting. Okay, and we have these that we're going to be trying out today. So this is Rub Beautiful and Sauce Beautiful, Jim Quessenberry's version. Now, I looked up online, checked out Jim Quessenberry's, and it's a family business. The father started it, sons took it over. They've won several competitions and things. So these are supposed to go well on pork, beef, or chicken. Okay, so we're going to be using these and testing these out today. Okay, today we're going to be cooking on the Weber. I'm going back to the basics. I know I've been cooking a lot on the Rectex, and I love the Rectex grills, but don't get me wrong, but I need to go back to the basics. So we're gonna get our hands dirty with some charcoal, some wood chunks, and we're gonna be monitoring our heat and our fire and things of that nature today. So we're going back to the Weber, and that's what we're going to be cooking on today. So hey, sit back, relax. It should be a quick cook. We've already removed the silver skin from our baby back ribs, and we have they're in there brining. They've been brining for about 2 or 3 hours in our simple brown sugar, kosher salt, water solution. Okay, so we'll go ahead and do the short prep work. We're going to toss them on. We're going to slather them down with this Sauce Beautiful from Jim Quessenberry's, and we're going to see exactly how it turns out. So hey, don't go nowhere. All right, guys, we're done with our cook, and I must say that the man cave smells fantastic. A couple of things about the cook. We cooked the baby back ribs for about 4 hours, almost exactly 4 hours. We brined them for about 3 hours before that to try to mitigate the chances of them drying out. Okay, after 2 hours of cooking, we wrapped them in some butcher paper without adding anything else, just to get them tender. And then we put them back on there, and we put on the sauce. Okay, the sauce beautiful. Now, the one thing I got to say that I liked about the sauce beautiful consistency is that it was more of a glaze, and it wasn't a very, very thick barbecue sauce that had to be thinned out. I mean, it went over nice and easy. It glided right across the ribs. Okay, so it gave the ribs a nice sheen. It smells great, and as we was warming it on the stove, when you look at the spoon, you can see all the bits of pepper and spices and all of the things that they've added into the sauce. So I'm very, very anxious to see what it tastes like. Let me go ahead and give you guys a close-up look at these ribs. Okay, as you can see, the ribs got a great mahogany reddish color. Now, that came from both the rub and the sauce. Okay, it smells fantastic. It's got a nice sheen. It glistens. And you can see, if you look closely enough, you can see some of the pepper and all the other seasonings and spices that was in the sauce. So let's go ahead and cut into this and have a taste test. All right, so we're going to go ahead and cut into these bad boys and see what we have here. All right. See if I can find a good bone. And they're nice and tender. All right. Oop, sauce on the finger. Excuse me. Oh man, that's good. All right. So let's taste this bad boy. It smells great, man. It's got a nice little peppery smell to it. And the rib has a nice smoke ring. I don't know if you can see that smoke ring or not. That's a nice smoke ring. All right, let's go ahead and taste this. Okay. Okay, I must say that this is very, very good. I like this. I like the little peppery kick that it has. It's got a nice little sweetness to it. Like I said, the sauce is not overpowering. The rub is very good also. It all works very, very well together. All those bits of spices, things you can taste, all the different flavors. It's very good. Man, I like this. Wow. Ooh. Excuse me, man, but it is finger licking good. This is some good sauce and some very good rub. I definitely would recommend this if you're looking for something that's robust and has a nice little peppery flavor to it. I really, really like this, man. This is very, very good. And the ribs came out great. They're nice and tender. Bite through. They're not where the bones are just falling all over the countertop. It's actually some nice bite through, and I like my ribs like that. Okay, so hey, this was great. If you're interested in becoming a subscriber to the Grill Masters Club, I will put a link down in the description block. Those guys, like I said, they send out a box to you every month with a variety of different sauces and rubs and wood chips and other barbecue condiments and spices and seasonings and stuff that you probably would never ever find on your own. Okay. Also, if you interested in just getting the rub beautiful and the sauce beautiful, I did find their website. I'll go ahead and put the link to their site down there also if you just want to go out there and purchase their rub and their sauce. Once again, I think this was great, man. It tastes fantastic. So wow, another successful cook. Okay. So, thanks guys for all the support. And as we always say, where there's smoke, there's fire. If it's fire, then damn it, there just might be a barbecue there. Hey, see you guys around the smoker. Hey guys, thanks for watching. Appreciate the support. If you guys are interested in seeing some more of our Bad Beast Barbecue videos, hey, check out the couple of links here on the screen. Hey, and as always, hey, we'll see you guys around the smoker. Mm.